We have learned so far that the animation occurs when clicked. Now, let's explore how to animate without any event triggering. This will introduce some new concepts. Start a new project and create an AnimatedIcon widget. The widget requires two arguments, the icon itself and the progress value. You can select an icon, and the AnimatedIcons package provides a variety of predefined icons. An AnimationController object must be created to control the animation based on the progress value. This is the new concept we are exploring. In Flutter, an AnimationController is a class that controls animations. It allows you to define the duration, start and stop an animation, as well as control its playback, such as pausing, resuming, or reversing. By utilizing the AnimationController, you can create more intricate animations in Flutter by combining it with other animation classes and widgets, enabling you to build dynamic and visually appealing user interfaces. To use the AnimationController, we recommend using the single ticker provider state mixin when creating the AnimationController object. In Flutter, single ticker provider state mixin is a mixin class that provides a ticker provider for animations controlled by a single AnimationController. It is commonly used when developing stateful widgets that require animating UI elements. The single ticker provider state mixin simplifies the process of synchronizing animations with the device's refresh rate by automatically managing the ticker object within the stateful widget. It's a convenient way to handle animations controlled by a single AnimationController in Flutter. To set up the AnimationController, it can be done in the initState method. In Flutter, VSync stands for vertical synchronization and is an important concept when working with animations. It is an optional parameter often used when creating an AnimationController or other animation-related objects. By providing the appropriate VSync parameter, you ensure that your animations are efficiently synchronized with the device's refresh rate, leading to smoother and more optimized visual effects in your Flutter applications. In this case, the duration of the animation can be set to 1 second. Don't forget to dispose of the controller properly when it's no longer needed. Now, let's discuss how to repeat the animation. If you use the forward method, the animation won't repeat automatically. Instead, we can utilize the progress value of the AnimationController to continuously animate the icon between the play and pause states. You can also specify the size of the icon as desired. With the correct settings of the AnimationController, the icon will continuously animate between the play and pause states. That covers the details of animating an icon in Flutter. Feel free to explore further and create captivating animations for your Flutter projects. Thank you for watching.